life strobing rapidly, and the words, "Please wait,"
Springfield!
the space before me. I'm praying the features finally ditched the concept of hold music. I can see you now, bringing you in. My loft falls away as though it were merely projected onto a thin sheet of steel.
Like sweets like that.
It's not an exit. But it's not an exit, though. But it's not an exit, though. Get out of the entrance! Back up! Back up! Put your car in reverse and back up, you... Back up!
What is it, one way?
Wants to drive on the grass because she's in the wrong.
Uh-oh.
Video locked.
Sanders said he's confident he will make the Browns' 53-man roster despite struggling in Saturday's preseason game, adding that he eventually wants to be a player to be able to change a franchise. Sanders started the second half Saturday against the Rams, completing just 3 of 6 passes for 14 yards. He was sacked 5 times and led the Browns
I know they're not final yet, but we've shared the preliminary results.
took a turn and another person wasn't even seen and boom.
Resolutions, but by iron and blood, passionate patriot and lover of military glory, Bismarck nevertheless gave a speech in Parliament at the height of fever that astonished all who heard it roll unto the statesman. He said, "Who makes war without a reason that will still be valid when the war is over?" After
He trained for. They're literally. Oh, he's the good guy. Come on. He's the good. Right? Like.